Subtraction. Make a 10 easy. This game allows students to use the strategy of making a 10 to solve subtraction problems. So right away we have the equation 13 take away 9 equals blank. We are going to make a 10 by breaking down the second partner so that the first partner makes a 10. To word this so it makes a little bit more sense, we know that 13 take away 3 is 10. Then we know that we broke away 9 to the partners 3 plus the rest. So 9 is equal to 3 plus 6. Students can figure out in their head that 13 take away 3 is 10. We know that 10 take away 6 is 4. So we're going to continue that process with the next few problems. Right away we need to make a 10 out of partner 1. So we need to take away how many to equal 10. If we have 12, we need to take away 2. When we take away 2 from 6, we have the rest left, and the rest would be 4, because we know that 2 and 4 are partners to equal 6. So now we go back to our make a 10 strategy. We know that 12 take away 2 is that 10 that we made. We need to take away the rest, so 10 take away 4 is 6. Our next problem is 11 take away 7. 11 right away, we need to make a 10. 11 take away 1 is a 10. Now we need to see 7 is what we need to equal. 1's a partner. What is the rest? 1 plus how many equals 7? What is the other partner? We know that 1 plus 6 equals 7. Students are then able to break that number up so they can use make a 10 strategy. So 11 take away 1 is our make a 10. So we know we have 10 and we need to take away the rest. So 10 take away the rest would be 10 take away 6. 10 take away 6 is 4. We're going to go through the same steps again. First, we're going to break apart the second partner so that our first partner is a 10. So 12 take away 2 is 10. Now that we broke apart 4 into the partner 2, we know that the other partner, or the rest, is 2. We're then able to subtract from our 10 that we made. 12 take away 2 is how we got that 10. We have our 10, now we need to take away the rest, which is 2, and that equals 8. Students can really use this strategy because 10 is a number that works for students. Most students see it as an easy number to work with, so if students can get their number to 10, they're most likely able to work from that because students have 10 fingers. They just relate to the number 10 a lot better. So students who can visualize make a 10 strategy will really benefit from this. So let's do our last problem. We have 17 take away 9 equals blank. We know that 17 take away 7 would be 10. Now we broke apart 9 using the partner 7. We need to know 7's partner to equal 9. So the rest would be 7 plus 2 equals 9. Now let's subtract. We made our 10. 17 take away 7. We need to subtract the rest. 10 take away 2 equals 8. So, like I said, making a 10 is what they need to do first. Out of the first partner, they need to break that number down, subtract some so they can equal 10. After they've taken away that number from the second partner, they're then able to take away the rest. So when they do 10, they're able to take away the rest of what is left of that second partner, and they're able to solve easily using that common number that is really enjoyed by students to work out a problem faster. This strategy is like the one we're learning in Chapter 9 under the Make a 10 section, and students just use their known facts to break apart numbers to equal 10 and either add or subtract from there. And this is in the strategies break apart and making a 10.